Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add DNS records on Cloudflare. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a record so your website, email, or third-party services point where they should, all without guesswork. First, open your Cloudflare account and sign into your dashboard. You'll see an overview of your sites. Head into the site where you want to manage DNS. Everything we're about to do applies only to that specific domain, so make sure you're in the right one. Next, click the DNS option in the navigation. This is your control center for how your domain name translates to servers and services on the internet. A quick note, DNS changes can take time to propagate across the internet, so don't worry if updates aren't visible everywhere immediately. Inside the DNS area, look for the record section. Here you'll see any existing records that Cloudflare already has on file for your domain. It's normal to have CNAME, MX, or TXT records already listed. If something here is critical to your site or email, be careful not to remove or overwrite it unless you're sure. Now click Add Record. This opens a new form where you'll define exactly what you want to add. Start by selecting the type. This tells Cloudflare what kind of record you're creating. For example, choose A to point a name to an IPv4 address. Pay A for IPv6. CNAME to point one name to another host name, MX for mail routing, and TXT for verification or configuration values. Pick the type that matches your goal, then enter the name. This is the host or subdomain you're creating. For your main domain, you can use the root, often represented as the @ symbol. If you're creating a record for a subdomain like www or app, type just that part, not the full domain. Keep it simple and avoid spaces or extra dots. Depending on the type you chose, Cloudflare will ask for the content of the record, such as an IP address for an A record or a target host name for its name. Fill in the required fields carefully. If you see options like TTL or proxy status, the defaults usually work well. Adjust them only if you know you need something specific. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Your new record will appear in the list right away. Some services recognize changes quickly, while others may take a bit longer to update. If something doesn't work immediately, give it a little time. That's it. You've added a DNS record in Cloudflare with clarity and confidence.